The Nike Air Max Plus Light Orewood Brown takes a more refined approach, stepping away from the sporty, high-energy aesthetic the silhouette is known for. While recent editions have leaned heavily into the tuned air cushioning and bold colorways, this version opts for a subtle, earthy palette of light Orewood brown, cacao wow, metallic silver, and white. Sean McDowell's design embraces current trends and neutrals, offering a fresh alternative to the typical vibrant look. The combination of creamy TPU accents, rich brown branding, and mesh underlays creates a sophisticated yet wearable option perfect for summer. Though it's a departure from the usual sports-style energy, the muted tones still make a strong visual impact. As a general release, the Nike Air Max Plus Light Orewood Brown is expected to launch on Nike.com and at select retailers, bringing a more fashion-forward edge to the classic Air Max line. Retail price is $180.